In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Cart Upsell add-on. This add-on allows customers to add a product to the cart straight from the cart page. You can customize it to have a product trigger, or you can have a blanket product for any products on your store. I'll explain right now how to set that up. So firstly, you want to scroll down to the theme settings, and then just locate the Debutify Add-ons tab, and then be sure to check on the Cart Upsell. And we can see it just coming online down here. So basically what's happening here is because a customer has added Chaos When, they get the option of buying Jonkins, which is currently an upsell. So if we navigate back out of here, back into the home page and just click Cart Upsell, we can see exactly how this is working. So the product trigger is Chaos When, and you can change that to anything you like. And the product offer is Jonkins, which of course you can change to anything you like. Now what we're saying here is most customers prefer Jonkins, and the button label is Upgrade. But you can customize this to your heart's content. It's also set to replace current item because it's an upgrade. This is a more expensive product. People have already made the decision to buy a pair of shoes, and what we're offering is a better pair of shoes, an upgrade, which will increase your average order value. The other way to use this add-on is to add as a new item. So the differences here, the cart upsell will show in cart for all products. The cart item upsell is an offer upsell product to a specific product. So let's make a new one. If somebody buys Chaos When, I'm going to offer them a different product. This time, it's not going to be an upsell, it's going to be a cross-sell. An example here would be to put something in like a shoe cleaning kit. So let's add that in. So to see this in action, I'm going to go and find Chaos When. And now we can see, even in the cart drawer, the offer. You might also like shoe cleaner kit, add to cart. Or most customers prefer Jonkins, upgrade. If we click this one, upgrade, we'll delete Chaos When and replace it with Jonkins. If we click this one, Chaos When stays in the cart and we add shoe cleaner. And that is how you operate the Cart Upsell add-on. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.